Hi there, welcome to the brand management course of third semester MBA program. And I'm Prof Ahamed Riaz, and I'll be a faculty for this semester teaching you marketing major brand management. Now let's have a look at what is brand equity. Brand equity is a term which all of you must have heard. Now we'll try to understand what is brand equity. There are two types of brand equity. First one is customer-based brand equity, and the second one is market-based brand equity. Now exactly what is this brand equity? Brand equity means the value of the brand. It simply means the value of the brand. Now what is customer-based brand equity and what is market-based brand equity? First we'll have a look at what is customer-based brand equity. Customer-based brand equity is a brand equity or the value for the brand in the mind of the customer. Then what is market-based brand equity? Now market-based brand equity is the value of the brand in the market. I would say that's the value of the brand in dollars or in Indian rupees is known as market-based brand equity, and customer-based brand equity is the value of that particular brand in the mind of the customers. So now first we'll have a look at what are the components of customer-based brand equity. We usually say the first and the most important component is brand awareness. Now let's have a look at what is brand awareness. Brand awareness means the knowledge about the brand in the mind of the customer. Now, what do you mean by knowledge? Knowledge can have different levels. What is brand awareness? Brand awareness has two levels. Now, the first level is known as brand recognition, and the second level is called as brand recall. Now, what do you mean by brand recognition? If you see a brand, if you see the elements or the identity of a brand, like the logo, the tagline, the jingle, the design or whatever, when you see any element of a brand, if you can recognize the brand, that means that brand has got brand recognition. Now how do we create brand recognition? We do it by repeated exposure to the elements. You must have seen a lot of ads, repeated ads through radios, repeated ads on the roads, hoardings. These are all meant to create brand recognition, so that people will recognize your brand by seeing any of the elements. Then what is brand recall? Brand recall means people should recall or remember your brand whenever he needs your product. For example, I need a shoe. When I think of shoe, which brand comes to my mind? Is it Nike? Or is it Adidas? Or is it Bata? That shows the recall of that brand. For example, or take another example. If you think of a chocolate, which chocolate comes to your mind first? For some people it may be Cadbury, for some it may be Snickers, or for some it may be Galaxy. So that shows the recall of that particular brand. So that is the meaning of brand awareness and the two levels of brand awareness. The first level, brand recognition, and the second level is known as a brand recall. Now we'll get into the next levels of brand management or the customer-based brand equity, that is brand image, brand personality, brand performance, and other things in the coming sessions. I think it's clear for you. So I'll be back again with more of brand management. Professor Riaz signing off. Thank you.